Happy Monday. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at noon. We'll start off with a look at our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam. Yes, it is breezy down there, and look at those clouds on the horizon as well. Seeing those clouds, a similar picture to what we have across most of the areas. Windy conditions and cloudy conditions as well. That wind is straight out of the northwest for pretty much everybody, bringing in some of that cooler air. We do see areas like Grand Forks gusting 32 miles per hour with that northwest wind. Our friends in Langdon, 24-mile-per-hour wind, but gusting to 30 miles per hour. And then not quite as windy for our friends in Bemidji, Thief River Falls, Roseau, only seeing winds around 15 miles per hour out of the northwest at this time. So where you see those yellows and even oranges, those deeper oranges are where you have those stronger winds at this time. So right now, mostly in North Dakota, I do expect the strongest winds this afternoon also to be in North Dakota. Now here's how things look. You have that northerly wind, and this moisture is all moving from north to south as well, along with those clouds moving north to south. And so we do have some showers near the Fosston area, near Detroit Lakes as well. And some, you can see, we'll take a closer look in here and see some of the towns. They're perhaps needing to use the windshield wipers there. This is heading toward the Mahnomen area and just exiting the Fosston area, but heading still toward Detroit Lakes. So most of the showers today do look to hang on in Minnesota, but we do have another cluster of shower activity just to the south near the Sisseton area. That's heading south toward the Watertown area. So anywhere under these clouds, though, would not be surprised to see some drips or dribbles of some raindrops across our neck of the woods. Temperatures in our Minnesota neighborhoods, 40s, mid-40s, areas like Fosston, Bemidji, Detroit Lakes, and where the winds are, you can factor in those winds, wind chills in the upper 30s there this afternoon. A bit warmer for our friends in, say, Jamestown, 53 degrees at this hour, 54 right now in Fargo, 52 out the door for lunchtime for our friends in Grand Forks. Here's how things look. That visibility you can see is reduced in our northern Minnesota neighborhoods, and that's why I do expect some drizzle to be occurring that is causing those reduced visibilities. A 2-mile visibility right now for our friends in Bemidji, 8-mile visibility for our friends in Cavalier. So as we go through the rest of this afternoon, we see those winds continuing to make their presence known here across our neck of the woods. By 4 o'clock, I do expect some clearing of the skies out toward the west, so Devil's Lake, Jamestown, down through Ellendale. And with that, the sun could warm those areas up a little bit. Mid to upper 50s we could see if that sun gets going. Still windy, though, in our North Dakota neighborhoods there by 4 o'clock. Clouds still hanging on, even some showers hanging on still on the Minnesota side of the river with those temperatures by 4 o'clock, upper 40s to lower 50s. So staying quite a bit cooler on the Minnesota side of the Red River. Then by 8 o'clock, I do expect the winds to calm down, the showers to exit off toward the east. Still seeing some clouds likely hanging on in Minnesota, but by and large around sunset things are pretty quiet. Then off toward the northwest after 8 o'clock toward the 10 o'clock hour by the time you join us back here for Valley News Live at 10. Some more clouds moving in from the northwest. Some showers also associated with those clouds, and temperatures cooling into the 40s for us by that 10 o'clock hour. And we do see those showers making their way through our area in the overnight hours tonight into tomorrow. And that is why we do have that chance of showers still on Tuesday, mainly in the morning. So it looks like things will improve as we go through the rest of the day on Tuesday. Temperatures on Tuesday, though, pleasant. We're in the mid-60s in the metro for those high temperatures on Tuesday. A little bit breezy on Tuesday, then Wednesday the wind returns, so back much like what we have today for those winds, gusting 35 to 40 miles per hour. But we then dry out and calm down into Thursday and Friday, but the temperatures are a little bit cooler. Highs are only around 50 for both of those days. And with those overnight lows in the low to mid-30s, looking at some mornings, 3 mornings in a row of some patchy frost for both Friday morning, Saturday morning, and then also into Sunday morning with temperatures, high temperatures, Brian, for the weekend in the mid-50s, both Saturday and Sunday. So that's moving into the first weekend of October, so definitely seeing some more October-like temperatures there for that forecast ahead.
Look at the windy and even breezy condition temperatures. I feel cold already.
Yeah, grab the jacket.
Definitely will do that. Thanks again, Nate.